so happy to get to see you, Max. How embarrassing.
She looks stunning.
Good morning vlog. Today I am heading to Disneyland and I'm super excited because it's the first day of the holiday season. I tried to start filming this earlier to include like a little get ready with me segments, but I just could not do my makeup and speak at the same time for the life of me. But I'm just about ready now and I'm really excited to show you my park outfit for today. I think my necklace is a little hint and here's another little hint. So let's head to the park. Tucked in a little quiet corner by Club 33 right now. The outfit of the day is a Santa Jack outfit. The Jack bag that I got during Halloween, I put a Santa hat on and Zero's there too, he's kind of falling off. I'm still in my Nightmare Before Christmas era, so I wanted to do a Christmas Nightmare Before Christmas look. I wanted to show you my outfit. Very festive.
Woo! That's a big old bag. Look at the size of this thing. That's a, I thought my head was large.
That's the opposite of a shrimp.
That's a large thing.
Exactly. What? And then I've got Zero figures.
My boy. Oh, Zero. Are you good little boy? Has he been good to you? Good. Horrible. No, Lexi. That was my job. Oh, someone beat me to it.
There is so much going on today. I'm a little bit overwhelmed, but we just got done in New Orleans Square and we went to see Jack and Sally. I was kind of hoping that Jack would be in his Santa outfit. He said it was too early for his Santa suit, so I might have to repeat this outfit. We'll see. But now we've made our way to the Fantasyland Theater in Fantasyland, kind of on the border of Toontown. And there's a bunch of things going on here. There's like this little Santa's Village, bunch of photo ops, some characters are out in holiday outfits. So let's see what's going on down here.
Well, I like to think it's his holiday spirit.
Even if it is sugar reduced.
So I'm here with my friend Smiley today and I wanted to show you her popcorn bucket. That she's like a master bedazzler and she's turned this Jack Skellington popcorn bucket into a purse and it's like fully bedazzled all the way around. And he's got a Santa hat on for the holidays. It also lights up, so we might have to show you that once it gets darker. But I just wanted to show you this little masterpiece. Her name's Smiley and she's on Instagram at SmileyGB1 if you want to see her other bedazzling work.
It continued to bloom until this, the prince's 21st year. As you can see, the petals have begun to fall. But the beast can learn to love another now.
Sorry.
He didn't learn that before the last petal.
How embarrassing for you.
Oh my goodness.
And then I step on you, I'm like...
The evil queen was out and she was watching the show that was going on and she turned around and we like almost tripped over each other. It's a little after 2 o'clock now and I feel like the day has absolutely flown by, but kind of in a good way because all the excitement for the holidays is definitely here. The vibes are very palpable, I would say. Next in the plans for today is a parade, the Christmas Fantasy Parade, which is, I think, the same parade that's been in Disneyland for quite a while for the holidays. It is the first parade of the year, so there is quite a lot of excitement for it. But I think we got a pretty good spot on Main Street for it.
Happy holidays! You gotta grow! More drops coming right on! Merry Christmas, partners!
Super cute. It's definitely brought the holiday cheer. The snowmen are probably my favorite part. I love how they like bounce around. I think it's so cute. The sun has started to go down already, which feels crazy. It feels like the day just completely flew by. and I'm still in my Santa Jack outfit. I did bring a change of clothes and I was planning to change earlier, but I've been toughing it out in these boots here, but I don't know how much longer. The evil queen is back behind us again. But I don't know how much longer I can stay in these boots.
I prefer Halloween to Christmas.
So now I'm at Plaza Inn and I was starving, so I just got pasta, and I'm kind of boring with food in general, but I did get a holiday treat, which is this little gingerbread cake, and it has the cutest little gingerbread charm on top. I think it's a white chocolate. I'm a huge fan of gingerbread, so I'm very excited about this. So let's see how it tastes. That's actually pretty good. I will say the gingerbread spice seasoning flavor is a little bit more mild than I was expecting. But there's also like crushed up cookies or something crunchy within the frosting, which gives it kind of an interesting texture situation. But it's good. I think I would recommend this if you're a fan of gingerbread. Stopped into Elias & Co to see if there's any holiday merch that I haven't seen yet, and I have already spotted something, which are these ears, and they kind of look like a Christmas sweater pattern on the front and the back, and then like this fuzzy little bow. It's kind of cute. I kind of want to try them on. I just ripped the ears off of my head that I had on, and I'm kind of like shocked that my hair, the styling lasted this long throughout the day. But anyways, let's see how these look on. I'm not totally sure how I feel about them.
And I don't think we carry
I feel like they look kind of cute, but I don't know if they look cute on me. Or maybe they're just not my style. There's also this hoodie, which I don't think I saw the last time. And it's got a print with Mickey and Minnie and Chip and Dale, I think in their outfits that they're wearing this year in Disneyland. And then the print goes all the way around the back, and Goofy is on the back there. This Santa Mickey sweater that I almost bought the last time, but I'm only seeing extra larges here. I might have seen this the last time, but I don't think I looked at it very closely. And it's got a green little elf hat on the top to match Mickey's outfit in Disneyland this year, which I'm not totally sure how I feel about. I feel like he kind of looks like one of Santa's elves, which I don't know. I don't know if that was the intent or not, but I feel like I'd want to see Mickey in a Santa suit more. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But down here, here's an apron with Minnie Mouse on it with her outfits in Disneyland this year. It's kind of hard to see because it's like a little crinkled up. That's kind of cute if you want to match her outfit. A Wishables advent calendar, and it shows some of the ones that are in there, but some of the other ones are still behind little mystery doors, but I feel like we can kind of guess which ones are in there. Like the chef's hat is most likely going to be Remy, and I feel like the bow is Minnie. Maybe Simba for the sun. I think Kermit for the banjo. One of the Frozen characters for that, and then Belle for the rose would be my guesses. $150 for the advent calendar. Don't think I saw this shirt the last time either. And it's got like kind of the same print as that other red sweater, but it is all over, and it's got Donald on it and Pluto, and I think I saw Daisy on the other sleeve there. Oh yeah, his dad is over there.
Dad! Goofy! Your son loves you! Again! I know your dad! Oh my god!
Oh no. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to see you. Yes, that's your dad. Your dad and you are my favorite characters. Oh, so I'm so excited that I get to see you today. Max is here. He's got his holiday outfit on. Fabulous. Very nice. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to get to see you, Max. Happy holidays. We just ran into Max over here in DCA, and he was just so cute and so sweet. I'm so glad that I got to see him because I love Max and Goofy so much. And he noticed that I have a Goofy pop socket on my phone, so that's what he was pointing at. He also noticed Goofy passing by in the parade, which is like right next to where his little meet and greet is, so that's why he was like jumping and waving and trying to get his attention. But yeah, so now we popped over to DCA, and the sun is quickly setting and it has gotten super chilly, so I went through an outfit change, changed out of those boots finally because I can't believe I lasted this long walking around in heels. But yeah, I feel so much better now because I've got fleece line tights and a jacket to stay nice and warm because it has gotten very chilly. One of the shows we're trying to see is the Coco themed show, the something Miguel. I'll put the name of the show on the screen here, but it starts at 5 o'clock and it's like 4:57 right now. I didn't even realize it was already 5. I was like just sitting there trying to take my clip while there's still some sunlight. So we're running over right now to try to catch it. So we didn't end up making it to the Miguel show, and I didn't realize that this was the first one of the night of the whole year, or of ever, because this is a new show. But we will definitely try to catch the next shows. In the meantime, I did get a little treat, the Gingerbread Mickey Waffles from Tracie's. Okay, so there's what it looks like. Pretty good powdered sugar coverage. They also came with a dipping sauce, which is like a holiday frosting looking sauce. Maybe a little bit more than that. This is actually really, really good. As I was going in to take a bite, I could smell the ginger spice. And I feel like every treat I've gotten so far today has just been gingerbread things. Dipping sauce tastes like the icing that's on the Mickey gingerbread cookies that they sell here. So I think like just a little bit of a dip as you take a bite is like the perfect balance.
Sure, we may get lots of toys and presents from Santa, but I love it when dear friends drop by unexpectedly for a holiday visit. Look, everyone, it's nuestro amigo Miguel! Everyone say, hola, Miguel! Hola, Miguel! Miguel, we are so happy you could join us today. We all know how much mariachi music means to you. You say, put them on your head. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. We'd like to thank you for joining us in a musical celebration with Mariachi de Alegría de Disneyland.
Santa Jack is all lit up now, and we've even got some club lights for the background, and there's so many colors going on. I love it so much. The tree is officially lit up, and she looks stunning.
And I'm lit up too.
One corner of the park that we didn't make it to is Bayou Country, because today is not only the first day of the holiday season, but it's also the official opening of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Came into Lewis's Critter Club, and the theming in here is so cute. There's so many little colorful lights. Light up ears for Tiana's Bayou Adventure with a little light up lotus on the front, and then a design on each side, and a pattern on the back. I also must say that I'm a big fan of the critters that come out in this ride. A hoodie that says, "Let's get to the party," with Lewis in the front. There's these little like jars that you can carry with a firefly inside, and it says, "Your firefly lights up by pushing the button on his back," which allows him to interact with other fireflies. That's kind of cool. Oh my goodness, there's a Lewis Cuddlies.
A bunch of little girls with us.
It's nice.
Oh, and he's even got a little trumpet. Oh my goodness, that is too cute. There's also a lounge fly for Tiana's Bayou adventure. And it's got Mama Odie, Lewis, Tiana, and Naveen on the front. And some really like pretty gold detailing. Oh, and the straps are even gold too. That matches quite nicely with the ears. There's also these Tiana ears, which I think have been out for a while, 1920s. Kind of feels the design, which is really pretty and very elegant looking. Not only is there the Lewis Cuddlies for plushies, but there's also plushies of the critters. Like this one is a little tortoise and a possum. And then my favorite, which is the raccoon with the accordion. I think one of my favorite items here is this tin, the restaurant fund tin like Tiana has in the movie. And it's like a piggy bank, so you can save up in there. And it even says customize the space with your own dream. Oh my gosh, that's too cute. I love things that are like replicas of things from movies and stuff. There's also Ray's Berets, which has been open for a while. The theming is really cute, so I wanted to show it to you. And there's all these little lanterns hanging from the ceiling. Here's a portrait of Ray and Evangeline. And then a little picture that says jar, sweet jar. And then the actual jar is over here. And it's so cute. There's a door and a mailbox in the front. And a little bed and all kinds of things. And there's even a picture of Evangeline inside the jar. A bunch of little jars along this shelf here, and they're all lit up. Like there's fireflies inside of them.
You have to ask for it. They have in the back.
Just little details that I wanted to share, but Ray's story in the movie always just absolutely destroys me. And with that, we are done for the day. Today felt like it went by so fast. I also feel like this video kind of was all over the place, but sometimes that's just the reality of how a park day goes, especially today when it was like the first day of a new season and there's just so much going on. I was hoping to try more snacks and holiday foods today, but I just didn't get to it. But there will be more opportunities this holiday season, so I can save that to look forward to. But yeah, today was so much fun. We got to meet so many characters. It kind of definitely became a character day, I feel like. We also got to see the parade and the new Miguel show in DCA. That show ended up being very charming and very cute. The singing and the musicians were performing live, so that was really cool. So kind of a chaotic introduction to the Disney holiday season this year, but hoping for many more adventures. And this jacket here is kind of a hint of what might be coming up next for the holiday season. But I hope you enjoyed coming along today. And thank you so much for watching and for being here. And I hope to see you in the next one.